Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, open Messages app. Then select or create a chat and tap on this plus at the bottom left corner. Now you can finally select Photos app and tap on any of your pictures in order to add it. If you want to, you can also select the same plus, but this time click on Camera and take a picture that you wish to add. In order to redo it, hit Retake at the top left corner. Then take a better one. To send it right away, tap on this blue button at the bottom right corner. If you wish to just add it, tap on Done at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!